Firsty Esim review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we'll take a look at this eSIM platform that offers us free plan to use an eSIM, and also we can get the so-called eSIM subscription, as I can say like that. And in order to get Firsty, we need to use a link in description. So you'll come to this page where then you can scan this QR code or click on get the app and find it on the App Store or Google Play. It has like 4.4 out of 5 stars. I think it's really good. So if you would like to use Firsty, do not forget to use a link in description. So we can find that it offers us only two products, and basically we have Firsty Free and Firsty Fast, starting from €1 per day, which is not that bad at all. Prices are really good. And on Firsty Free we'll get access to messaging, email and online calling. So we'll get access to main apps, I can say, and we can use one single eSIM for the globe, which is really good. So on Firsty Fast, we'll also get like streaming, video calling, and some other features. We'll also connect to the best available network, and there will be no advertisements, and data never expires. So what's like Firsty Free, and how does it work? So Firsty is a mobile eSIM app that provides seamless global connectivity for travelers. Firsty offers two products like Firsty Free and Firsty Fast. As I said, with the free version, enjoy basic connection to essential apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, email, and Uber for free. It's the world's go-to solution for staying in touch with spanning a dime. With Firsty Free, you stay connected for up to 60 minutes with unlimited data through a basic connection for the essentials. After 60 minutes, watch like the advancement, and then you can reconnect to our data, which is really good. And not all countries supported by Firsty, but if you want to discover them, we can click on countries in the right top, so you can use it inside of the app or on this website. And we can find that like they have a lot of countries supported, but not all of them. So before traveling, I definitely recommend you to try to search for the country you are going to visit. We have like 120 countries supported, which like not that bad. But also we can find, if we'll scroll down, coming soon countries, for example Andorra, Jamaica, Kenya. They're not supported now, so we need to wait for a little. And basically I can definitely say that I can recommend this platform if the format of this platform is suitable as for you. So like free plan or Firsty Fast with like €1 a day. So I can definitely recommend. Don't forget to use link in description to get the best prices, to get the best options. So then we can just simply find it on the App Store or Google Play. As you can see, we can find them right up here. So yeah, I can definitely recommend this app, so you can download it and then just get your free data. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.